Welcome all of you. So we are going to take up circles today from this video onwards. Okay, please watch circles as part 1, part 2, part 3. That will help you to understand. Okay, circles is a very easy part of coordinate geometry. Okay, if you understand few basic things. So let us quickly start. Here circles, equation of a circle is x minus x square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Okay, equation of a circle is this one. Now when is this the equation of the circle? Here c h comma k, okay, and p x comma y. Then if this is a point P whose coordinates is x comma y in the circumference of the circle and the center is h comma k, coordinates of the center is h comma k, then the equation of the circle is this, and this length is r. The length is r. Okay. Now Pxy is not just one point. Pxy is a general point. You can take it anywhere on the circumference. Okay, that is Pxy. Hk is a fixed point which is the center. So if the center is given, then this is, and the length of the radius is given, then this becomes the equation of the circle. Let's see the other forms. The other one, when the center is at the origin, okay, if the center is at the origin, then x square plus y square is equal to r square. Why? Because h and k becomes 0 now. So the equation reduces to this when center is at the origin. Okay, when center is at the origin, then this is your equation. Let's see the next one. Now if I have a circle in which, in this circle, if I have a diameter, okay, in a circle I have a diameter, okay, which every circle will have, and the two endpoints of the diameter, let's take A and B, and the endpoints of this diameter is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay, this is the coordinates of the diameter. Okay, and P is any random point. P is any random point here, which is P x comma y. In that case, if you are given two endpoints of the diameter, then how will you find the equation of the circle? So x minus x1 and x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay, so that becomes your equation of the circle when the two endpoints of the diameter has been provided to you. Okay, so we'll see sums on these now. So here is our next question. Here is our first question. Find the equation of the circle. Center 2 comma 4, radius is 5. Okay, so center is given, radius is given. We are going to take x minus h square plus y minus k square. Okay, x minus h plus y minus k is equal to r square. This formula we are going to take. Put a 5 square here and x minus 2 square plus y minus 4 square, which is now the equation, but you have to simplify it a little more. So it is x square plus y square plus 4 plus 16 minus 4x minus 8y is equal to 25. Okay, x square plus y square plus minus 4x minus 8y, and this is minus 5. Okay, with this 20 and this 25 it becomes a minus 5. This is our equation of the circle when the center is given and the radius is given. Now here is a question, find the center and radius of the circle when they have given you already the equation. The equation is given, find the radius and the center. Now this is clearly x minus h, y minus k. So x minus 3 square plus y minus 1 square is equal to 3 square, right? R is clearly 3. And here remember we had a minus in the formula. So h is 3 and k is 1. So the center is at hk, which is equal to 3 comma 1. Okay, so center is 3 comma 1 and radius is 3 for this question. So this one is reverse of this. When the equation is given and you have to find the center and the radius. Okay, let's find this. Find the equation of the circle whose center is this and radius is this. Okay, back to x minus a cos alpha whole square plus y minus a sin alpha whole square is equal to a square. Okay, now this is the equation, just x minus h, y minus k type. X square plus a square cos square alpha plus y square plus a square sin square alpha. Okay, I am just using a square plus b square minus 2xa cos alpha minus 2ya sin alpha, that is equal to a square. If I take this term and this term, I get x square plus y square plus a square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, okay, minus 2xa cos alpha minus 2ya sin alpha is equal to a square. Now what happens here is this becomes an a square because this is 1 and this is a square. Cancel it out. Okay, you don't have to go to the next step, just cancel. So what we are left here is with just this one, x square plus y square minus 2xa cos alpha minus 2ya sin alpha, that is equal to 0. This is my equation of the circle. Okay, so here don't wait to make it 1, just cancel it here only. You have lots of work to do, so you can't be wasting your time in silly steps. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go for this question. Find the equation of the circle center given passes through the intersection of these two lines. Now we have to find the intersection of these two lines. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. How to find the intersection? This you have learnt in simultaneous linear equations in school. 5, can I write x plus y? I am just taking a shortcut. 15. X plus y is equal to 3. Now 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Here, okay, we'll do a subtraction. Then I'll get x minus y is equal to, this is 7. Okay, so I have both the equations now. Now this was an interchanging type of simultaneous linear equation, so I did it. X minus y is 7, x plus y is 3. Okay, so now here I get 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to 5. Okay, so x is equal to 5. Let me put it here in any one of the equations. If I put here x is 5, then 5 minus y is 7, y is equal to minus 2. So the point of intersection becomes 5 comma minus 2, and the other point, which is the center, is this. Okay, so the center is 2 comma minus 3. We have to find the, because this is the center and this is a point of intersection of the two lines. So here we are going to find now this length using distance formula. Okay, so how do we use distance formula and find the distance? Okay, why find the distance? Why do we find that distance? Because that distance is going to give us the radius now. Okay, so here 5 comma minus 2, and please draw this diagram, it makes you go faster. So here this distance, which is equal to the radius, is equal to root over, I can see a 3 square and minus 2 plus 3, which is a 1. Okay, 1 square, 9 plus 1, root over 10. Okay, so I get a root over 10. Now this, I will put everything in the formula now. X minus 2 square plus y minus plus 3 square is equal to 10. Okay, this is my formula. Now I have to expand it a little bit more. X square plus 4 plus y square plus 9, okay, minus 4x plus 6y is equal to 10. X square plus y square plus 13 minus 4x plus 6y is equal to 10. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y is equal to plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the final equation. Okay. So let us quickly see a few more types of sums. Okay. Okay, so let us read this question. If two diameters of a circle lie along the lines, means these are the equations of the two diameters. Okay, and the area of the circle is given, find the equation of the circle. Okay, so the two diameters equations are given. Now the point of intersection of the two diameters will give us the center, isn't it? So x is equal to 9 plus y, I can write that. So in this equation, if I substitute 9 plus y minus 2y is equal to 7. So this is minus y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2. Okay, so y is equal to 2 is my first value. If I put here y is equal to 2, if I put, then x is equal to 11. So the center becomes 11 comma 2. So we have managed to get the center and the area is given, find the equation of the circle. So if the area is given, then center was 11 comma 2. So area of the circle is 38.5. How do we find? Pi r square is 38.5. Okay, now pi is a 22 by 7, r square is 38.5. That is r square is, this will go by 11. So 11 2s are 11 3.5. Okay, this is 3.5 is 7 by 2 and here I have one more 7 by 2. So r is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, so we have the radius also now. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find the area of the, so r is 3.5. So we are now going to find the equation of the circle. The center is 11 comma 2, 11 comma 2 and the radius is 7 by 2. So x minus 11 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to 7 by 2 square. X square plus 121 plus y square plus 4 minus 22x minus 4y, okay, is equal to 49 by 4. So x square plus y square plus 125 minus 22x minus 4y is 49 by 4. Okay, so this is 4x square plus 4y square plus this is 4 into this, which becomes a 500 minus 88x minus 16y is equal to 49. So 4x square plus 4y square, okay, and then minus 88x minus 16y plus 451. If we take this 49 this side, so this is our final equation. Okay, now we are going to work on this. Find the equation of a circle, the coordinates of whose endpoints of one of whose diameters are these two. Okay, so how do we find the equation of the circle? Diameters endpoints, one of the diameters endpoints are given to you. How do we find the equation of the circle? Okay, so we remember the formula x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to 0. X minus, let's take any one as x1, 3, okay, and x minus 2 plus y minus 2, y minus 5 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 6 minus 2x plus y square minus 2y minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 3x minus 2x minus 2y minus 5y, okay, plus 16 is equal to 0. x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is my final equation when the two endpoints of the diameter has been provided. Okay. So this is it from circles in this video. Please check the channel, stay tuned. More videos on circles are going to come up very soon. Okay, so we'll do many more complicated questions in the next few videos. So please see, this will be part 1 for circles. I'll be uploading more videos as part 1, part 2, part 3 like that. Okay, so if you have liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, also leave a comment behind. I love to read your comments. Thanks all of you. Bye then.